because I'm just going to be real. I wasn't going to say this because I didn't want to make this about that. But for a lot of you, the reason why you wear wigs is because you have weight fluctuations. And you're actually trying to divert our attention off of your weight fluctuations. Your face gets fat, your chin starts getting a little fat up under here. You ain't as curvy as you used to be, and you can't control your weight. So you start wearing all this bullshit on your head in order to divert the attention away from your fat ass face. So I didn't want to bring the weight stuff in, but no, it's something that needs to be talked about.
A lot of women will admit that too. I know, I've been rocking my shortcut now for years, probably about 12 years. And a lot of women will say, oh, I can't do that. I couldn't rock that shortcut. I couldn't do that because, I got to lose some weight first and I got to da-da-da. So you're absolutely right. I mean, as a woman, I hear these things. You know what I mean? I hear these things. So that's not a generalization. It is an actual fact. Women do not feel like they're at their perfect weight, you know what I mean, to wear a certain type of hairstyle. And so they do cover it up and they do buy the wigs and they do buy things that make them look younger. But when you put long hair on your head, it makes you look younger. It makes you look, slimmer. So I've definitely heard that from women.
So ladies, do what you want to do, but just know we men aren't stupid. You're either hiding the fact that you can't control your weight, hiding the fact that you're lazy as shit and you don't want to go to the gym, or you don't want to do something with your hair and stand in a bathroom a little longer to, to curl your stuff up or whatever you got to do, and you want to put a goddamn wig on. That's laziness. Or you're hiding your internal inadequacies where you feel like you're not enough when you get around other women who wear bullshit on their heads. But at the end of the day, all of y'all look the damn same, and all of y'all are the damn same, single, unmarried, whining about men as goofball-looking women who feel like they have to wear stupid shit on their heads in order to feel good about themselves. So if you ever want to take a second and say, damn, the way to get a man or the way to keep a man is to literally be the total opposite of the typical black woman, you'll finally get it. Because those are the women who actually find husbands, women who act totally opposite of the typical black woman. That's really all you have to do. That is the secret. Have a total opposite attitude of the typical black woman. Have the total opposite look of the typical black woman. Whatever it is that the typical black woman at a hair salon is doing and saying, do the opposite of that. And that is the secret. Stop trying to run around looking like these other goofy ass women, because they ain't got no man. Even the IG models ain't got no man. They look as stupid as the rest of y'all do. They ain't got no man. They just got a whole bunch of followers. Do the opposite of what the typical black woman is doing. Be feminine instead of masculine. Wear your natural hair, wear your natural face. Start wearing stupid ass eyelashes and see what happens. Give it a year. Just give it 1 year. Don't wear none of this bullshit. I promise you, men will respond to you differently. And you might get yanked up where, in a positive way. And next thing you know, boom, you got a whole man that loves you and wants to be with you. Yeah. But until you do that, until you get out of your dysfunctional ass mindset and your dysfunctional habits, you are going to continue to just have this stupid, sorry, pitiful ass, angry, mad at the world ass life. But like I said, I'm not a woman. It ain't none of my business. And I love to see women flourish. And I love seeing women paired up and married with men, but y'all act like y'all aren't even attracted to men because y'all keep mutilating your damn selves with all this stupid shit. You're turning us off. You're turning us away with the attitudes. You're turning us away with the looks. So do y'all even want a damn man? Y'all want to be with a woman or something? Shit seems to be like it's on purpose.
They can control and wear their wigs. That's what they want.
Yes. Women want to be grown-ass children. I can do what I want to do, and find some cornball idiot that's going to put up with her and let her do what the hell she want to do. You get with a real-ass nigga, he's going to tell you, sit your goddamn ass down.
If you are making a man's life easier, i.e. cooking, cleaning, providing pussy whenever he wants, and he's giving you the minimum, he's never going to do more.
What it is to me. But if you have a long day and you fight in the world, you would never come back and fight me. You would.
I want y'all to just think about the energy, y'all. Forget about what she's saying. This is the first energy.
Because it's beneficial to him. No history in niggerdom ever has a man been...
And walk into a space that is not welcome.
She's blinking differently. This is what a real nigga does to you. She blinks differently.
I told him how that made me feel, and he was like, of course they're going to say that. They don't have nobody doing that for them.
So the thing about it is, y'all, you know damn well when that man that you want approaches you, all that shit is going to go away. Just let it go away now.
Mm-hmm.
Look what happened to Fancy. All that shit just went away. She blinks differently, moves differently. The two, come on, y'all.
Two different people.
Two different people. Stop with the cap, ladies. I'm gonna be ready to shut up. It's stupid. Bunch of grown ass damn children.
And women need to understand that finding who you are and really grounding yourself is really important. Because like you said earlier, men will smash the woman who got the wig, the makeup and everything. And that probably makes her self-esteem go all the way up, right?
Yeah.
She's probably like, oh, I'm shit because so-and-so like me and so-and-so and so-and-so. Yet you find yourself 40 years old and still in the club, or you find yourself 40 years old and still doing the same things that you was doing when you were in your 30s and your 20s. Mm-hmm. And it's because you don't know who you are outside the penis and the wig. You don't know who you are outside those things. You don't know what you like. You don't know what you look like with your natural hair just chilling. You don't know, what your growth pattern of your scalp is because you got a wig on so much.
Yeah.
Women need to really come and get grounded and know who they are. Women, we hold so much power and women just throw it all away by doing dumb stuff like wearing wigs and fake, having these BBLs. We talked about that yesterday. Like, it's just things that women do where it's just like, you don't have to do it, but yet somewhere down the line, you feel like you have to do it.
Yeah. And it's sad. It's really sad, And, me personally, I'm just a little old school. I grew up just drooling over the short hair, natural women, the Nia Longs and the Halle Berrys and stuff. So, hey, I may be different, you know what I mean? But if you are just in your life and you keep seeing the same problems going on in your life pertaining to men and just your ability to pair bond with a man, it's not men, it's you. And it's not just you, it's your mother. Because I can't sit here and tell you that you are the problem alone. No, the person that raised you made you like this. The person that raised you programmed you to think and act like this. So it stems from whoever raised you. So no, I can't just sit here and say, oh, it's all your fault. Mm-hmm. No, it's a little bit of the men, a little bit of you, but it's mainly the person that raised you. That person traumatized the shit out of you. And there's a possibility that you got resentment towards them. You can't trust nobody because a lot of you, it's not that you don't trust men, you don't trust women either. A lot of y'all hate women, let alone men, let alone yourself.
That is a fact.
Y'all hate men, y'all hate women, and y'all hate yourself. And y'all hate your kids. That's a different story. But, you know, a lot of y'all don't even love y'all own goddamn kids. Because if you don't know how to love yourself, you can't love your kids. You can't love the person. You can't forgive the person that traumatized you. You can't love nobody because you don't have it in you. That's why y'all wear all this bullshit. Because there's a good possibility that you just don't love yourself. You don't even know where to start. You actually want a dude to come in and pay all your bills and take care of you, and you're a fucking emotional basket case and wearing wigs and shit and running around looking like a damn clown? Why? Who's dumb enough to do that? If you are aware, or you're coming to the point where you're becoming aware that your mom actually put you in this dysfunctional state of being you're in, there's a link in the chat. Click the link, buy the course. It's a 5-day course that will help you get out of your own way. If you take my course, it's not about wigs, but it would change the way you think about yourself. And it could possibly put you in a positive emotional state where you may feel like, you know what? Fuck these wigs. Mm-hmm. Finally. So click the link that is pinned at the top of the chat and see if it helps. I'm just here to help.